Hello, honey bunnies. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, I have a Halloween haul video for you guys. I'm going to show you the majority of stuff that I got in TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and HomeGoods. These are all home related stuff. We're going to go through some curtains, some throw blankets, some pillows, some kitchen towels here. You also have some sheet sets and some tablecloth. Okay, so we have a lot. I had to separate this video into different parts because I have so many things that I want to show you guys, and I cannot put this all in one video. So what I did was I decided to just do like the home stuff separate, and then on another video I'm going to show you guys what I got as far as like decorating the house with, like, you know, witchy things that I got, like pumpkins and like decorative like little frames and just other stuff that I got. But I cannot do this in one video because it'll be super duper long. Okay, so let's get started. So let me show you first my kitchen towels. I'm so excited about these kitchen towels. I found these and I was like, yes, these are really super cute kitchen towels. I got this at HomeGoods. It was only like $7. You get two big kitchen towels. I'm planning to use one for the kitchen and one for the bathroom. I thought it was just super cute, and so I loved it. I had to pick it up. I also picked up these two towels, which I thought it were awesome. This one says Hocus Pocus on it, and I just thought it was beautiful. I really don't need kitchen towels because I have tons from last year that I didn't use, but I just love that it said Hocus Pocus on it. And I also love this one that says Witch Brew, which I thought it was absolutely brilliant, and I loved it. So I picked this one up as well. I picked up a table cloth. I'm so excited about this tablecloth. So I've been looking for a tablecloth for a while. Every single one that I come across is a lot of orange, a lot of black, a lot of purples, a lot of golds, a lot of silver. And I wanted something neutral. I wanted something just like simple and neutral, not too like crazy in color. And I found this one and I was super happy. It's so cute. It's very, very like toned down. It's some spider webs with like little spiders around it, and the company is actually Rachel Ashwell, which I love her. She's a very vintage, I hope I said the name right, Rachel Ashwell. She's a very vintagey, shabby chic kind of person, and her lines are like fabulous, right? So when I saw this, I was like, yes, I was super happy. I got this in HomeGoods and it was only $15, okay? So very good buy. All right. Then I found this amazing, oh my God. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would probably already seen a little pics of these things in Instagram, because I usually like show you guys what I get. And I usually post them like in stories or like little pics. So I got this really fun queen size sheets. I was so excited when I found this. Oh my gosh, I didn't think that I was gonna ever find something like this, but I was super excited. And it's so adorable, so cute. Again, I wasn't looking for, I saw more of the Halloween collection, very bright colors, and I was just like not into like these bright colors for the house. I already have so many other bright things that I'm going to put around the house. I didn't want it to crash, right? So I got this. I loved it. If you hear a dog barking, that's my mom's dog. I'm very sorry. Can't help it. $20, guys, for this cute, adorable set. I am loving it. And these little ghosts are just so cute. The little bat and then the boo. It's just beautiful. I love it. So I was super happy to find this. Okay. Then I found this curtain, which I was like, okay, you're coming with me too. It's for the kitchen. I'm sorry, not for the kitchen. It's for the bathroom. And I thought it was beautiful, this curtain. I just loved it. And if you want to look and see how it looks a little bit of how hung up it looks. It looks like that. Full of pumpkins. It's so Halloween. I love it. It was only $10. I think I got this at, I want to say that I got this at Burlington, but I'm not sure, but I believe I got this at Burlington. I also from last year got the inside plastic that is also Halloween related, so I'm going to use that this year. I wasn't able to use it last year, but I'm definitely going to use it this year. Okay, I got this delicious squishy adorable little throw. I absolutely love it. I just love these little cute little vintagey looking images in here. It's so cute. Honestly, I already had a throw that I bought last year, which I am obsessed about also, but I couldn't help like not picking this one up because it's just so cute. I love the image, and it's just so cozy. And it's also an oversized throw. I paid $17 for this at HomeGoods, and I just absolutely love it. Love it. I'm gonna put this one in my bedroom, and the one that I have from last year, I'm gonna use that in the living room. So I can't wait to show you guys how I'm going to decorate the bedroom. Make sure you follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see little pics and stories about my Halloween decorations. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram link is going to be at the bottom of this video. Okay, the last thing that I want to show you that I really got a little bit crazy over, but I just had to because they were just so beautiful. I got a few pillows this year. Okay, so let me show you. The first one that I saw that I just loved was this cute, adorable little ghost pillow. I love this pillow. It's so cute. It's so adorable. I love the colors of it. I thought it was just such a beautiful, like, toned down color. I think it's gonna go absolutely perfect with my little collection that I have, my little set that I have here. I think it's just gonna go gorgeous together. And so I'm thinking of doing the bedroom sort of like these like little toned down colors for Halloween, and that looks perfect. I love it. So I can't wait to set up my bed. And then I found this one, which I thought it was super cute. And again, it has like the toned down color, so it's perfect. It says the witch is in, and it's just super cute. It has these cute little like witch legs, which I thought it was super cute. I love it. And so I love the frizzy part of it. It's just, I love it. I love it. And this one cost only $10, and I got this one at HomeGoods. I'm sorry, by the way, I didn't tell you, this one right here, this one cost $20. A little bit pricey, but I had to have it because of the little toned down colors. All right, so this is $10, which is not so bad, right? I think it's pretty good for $10. Not so bad, considering. And then I got this one, which I was like, oh, okay, Jenny, you're going with a theme here. Witch legs, right? Yes, I am. I saw this and I was like, oh my God, adorable. So I picked this one up. I love the witch legs, super cute. This is also $10, and I thought it was absolutely adorable. And then the last pillow that I also purchased was this one right here. This Hocus Pocus one. I thought this was super cute. I love it. I have to kind of like, because this like the brooms are kind of like what do you call this, like twine fabric, and so it kind of sheds a little bit, but it's okay. I can pass a little bit of the roll on this. But look how cute this is, guys. Isn't this adorable? I just love this. Hocus Pocus Broom Company. I love this. And this is also $10. These are all the same line, by the way. $10. I love it. I got myself a cup. I wasn't supposed to, but you know what? Why not? So I got myself this amazing, gorgeous, beautiful purple cup. I was looking for an orange one, but I could not find orange. So I just settled for this purple one. I thought it was really cool. And so, yeah. So I grabbed this one. I loved it. And I'm really loving the color on this. And that is all I got for the house. As far as like the beddings and the kitchen and the living room. So I hope you guys like this haul video. I hope that this gave you some really good ideas to show you what HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls has out there. And I hope that you enjoy seeing all these really awesome little goodies that I got. Make sure you thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, make sure you follow me in Instagram so that you guys can get like a little sneak peek of things that I will be posting every once in a while. My next video for you guys is going to be the house video, but house as far as like, you know, like pumpkins and like decorative items that I've gotten from HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls. I got quite a few things that I want to show you, and so I'll be doing that next. Okay, my loves, I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. I will see you soon. Make sure you thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Love you all and have an awesome, safe weekend. Bye, honey bunnies.